Have you ever wondered what the most unique animals in the world are? In the vast expanse of the animal kingdom, there's an astounding variety of creatures, each boasting distinctive features, behaviors, or habitats that set them apart from the rest. Uniqueness in this context can be subjective, hinging on various factors like evolutionary history, adaptations, behavior, and ecological niche. But there are certain animals that, due to their peculiarities, are often considered unique. From a mammal with a duckbill and webbed feet that lays eggs, to a unicorn of the sea with a spiral tusk jutting from its head, from a salamander that can regenerate lost body parts, to a creature that's a cross between a giraffe and a zebra. Join us as we explore 10 of the most unique animals in the world. Prepare to marvel at nature's creativity and the fascinating diversity it has to offer. First on our list is the platypus, a unique combination of traits typically found in birds, reptiles, and mammals. The platypus, with its duckbill and webbed feet, might seem like it's playing a game of disguise. But don't be fooled. This creature is as real as it can get. And here's a fun fact. The platypus is one of the few mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. Yes, you heard it right. It's an egg-laying mammal. This quirky attribute, coupled with its other distinctive features, makes it an absolute wonder in the animal kingdom. This strange mashup of traits from different species is what makes the platypus a truly unique animal. So, next time you think you've seen it all, remember the platypus and its fascinating blend of bird, reptile, and mammal features. This strange combination of features makes the platypus one of the most unique animals in the world. Next, we have the narwhal, often referred to as the unicorn of the sea. These intriguing creatures inhabit the Arctic waters around Greenland, Canada, and Russia. Now, what makes the narwhal so special? Well, it's that long spiral tusk protruding from its head. This isn't just an ordinary tusk. It's actually a tooth, an elongated left canine to be precise, and can grow up to 10 feet long. Astonishing, isn't it? It's this tusk that has earned the narwhal its mythical nickname. But it's not just for show. Scientists speculate that these tusks serve multiple purposes. They may be used in male-to-male rivalry, for breaking through ice, or even as a sensory organ, detecting changes in the water's salinity. Among the many species of whales, it's the narwhal that stands out with such a prominent tusk, making it a fascinating marvel of the animal kingdom. The narwhal's unique tusk makes it stand out in the animal kingdom. Now meet the axolotl, a unique salamander known for its incredible regenerative abilities. This fascinating creature, hailing from the mystical waters of Xochimilco in Mexico, possesses a superhero-like power that leaves many in awe. Imagine having the ability to regenerate not just a lost limb, but also your spinal cord, heart, and parts of your brain. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But for the axolotl, it's just a part of life. This extraordinary regenerative capability is due to the axolotl's cells at the injury site reverting to a stem-like state, allowing them to transform into whatever body part is needed. This process, while seemingly miraculous, is a natural occurrence for the axolotl, and it's what sets this creature apart in the animal kingdom. So, whether it's a lost limb or a damaged brain, the axolotl can bounce back with a resilience that is both admirable and fascinating. The axolotl's regenerative abilities make it a truly unique creature. Coming up next is the mantaray, one of the largest and most distinctive ray species. With a flattened body that seems to glide through the water as if it's flying, the mantaray is an absolute marvel of the ocean. But that's not all that makes this creature stand out. Take a look at its cephalic fins. They're horn-shaped and give the mantaray its iconic devilish appearance. But don't let that fool you. These sea giants are far from menacing. In fact, they're filter feeders. That's right, the mantaray feeds by filtering plankton and small fish from the water, using its wide mouth and specialized gills. Imagine a creature of such grandeur, surviving on the tiniest of ocean life. It truly is a testament to the diverse ways life adapts to survive in our world's various habitats. The mantaray's distinctive features make it one of the most unique animals in the ocean. Next on our list is the Sunda Colugo, also known as the flying lemur. But don't let the name fool you. This creature is neither a lemur nor capable of true flight. Instead, the Sunda Colugo is a master of gliding. It navigates the forest canopy by launching itself from a lofty perch and spreading a large skin membrane called a patagium. This patagium, which extends from its neck to the tips of its fingers and toes and even to the end of its tail, acts like a parachute. The Sunda Colugo uses this method to move between trees in search of food and shelter, sometimes covering a distance of up to 200 feet in a single glide. This gliding ability, coupled with its nocturnal lifestyle, makes the Sunda Colugo a marvel to behold. The Sunda Colugo's gliding abilities make it a fascinating and unique mammal. Now, let's take a look at the ii, the world's largest nocturnal primate. Hailing from the unique ecosystems of Madagascar, the ii is a species of lemur that sets itself apart with some truly distinctive traits. One of the ii's most remarkable features is its long, thin middle finger. This finger, significantly longer than the others, is incredibly flexible and is used in a unique way of foraging known as tap foraging. The ii taps on trees, its elongated finger drumming up to 8 times per second, creating vibrations that reveal the presence of grubs hiding inside the tree bark. Then, using the same finger, it digs into the wood and fishes out the grubs. This unusual method of foraging is not found in any other primate, making the ii a standout in the animal kingdom. The ii's unusual features make it one of the most unique primates in the world. Next up is the Okapi, a creature that resembles a cross between a giraffe and a zebra. Now, you might be wondering how that's even possible. But nature has its way of surprising us, doesn't it? The Okapi, or Okapia johnstoni, as scientists like to call it, carries the grace of a giraffe and the charm of a zebra. Its body is covered with a velvety reddish-brown coat, and the lower parts of its legs boast distinctive zebra-like stripes. These stripes serve as fantastic camouflage, helping the Okapi blend seamlessly into the dense rainforests of its native habitat, the Democratic Republic of the Congo. What's more, this fascinating creature has a long, prehensile tongue, much like its giraffe cousins. This tongue is so flexible and lengthy that it can even clean its own eyelids and ears, a feature that certainly adds to its uniqueness. The Okapi's unique appearance makes it stand out in the animal kingdom. Now, meet the blobfish, often referred to as one of the ugliest animals in the world. But don't let its looks fool you. This sea creature is a marvel of adaptation and survival. The blobfish, or Cycrolutes marketus, has a body that's more gelatinous than that of other fish. This isn't just for show, though. This unique body composition allows the blobfish to float just above the seafloor without expending energy on swimming. But why the need to float? Well, the blobfish dwells in the deep sea at depths up to 4,000 feet. At these great depths, the pressure is incredibly high, about 80 times higher than at sea level. The blobfish's gelatinous body allows it to withstand this pressure, letting it live and thrive where most other creatures cannot. The blobfish's unusual appearance makes it one of the most unique sea creatures. It's a testament to the amazing diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Next, we have the pink fairy armadillo, a tiny creature known for its unique pink coloration. This petite armadillo species, native to the dry grasslands and sandy plains of central Argentina, is the smallest armadillo species, measuring only about 5 inches long. Its distinctive pink hue is due to the blood vessels visible through its thin, translucent shell. This shell, flexible and armored, is a remarkable adaptation, providing the armadillo with both protection and camouflage. But the pink fairy armadillo has another remarkable talent. With its large shovel-like claws, it has the ability to bury itself completely underground in a matter of seconds. When it senses danger, it dives headfirst into the ground, leaving only the shell exposed, which blends with the surrounding soil. This outstanding burrowing ability, coupled with its nocturnal lifestyle, makes this tiny creature a master of stealth and evasion. The pink fairy armadillo's unique traits make it a standout in the animal kingdom. Last but not least, we have the Japanese spider crab, known for its impressive size and unusual appearance. This fascinating creature, with the scientific name Macrochera kempferi, holds the record for the longest leg span of any arthropod, reaching up to an incredible 12 feet. That's right, 12 feet. Imagine a creature with the leg span of a small car. But it's not just the size that makes this creature unique. Its habitat is equally intriguing. The Japanese spider crab resides in the depths of the waters around Japan, far removed from our everyday world. It thrives in an environment where few other creatures can survive, navigating the deep, dark waters with ease. This combination of unusual physical characteristics and a remarkable habitat truly sets the Japanese spider crab apart. The Japanese spider crab's impressive size and unique appearance make it one of the most unique animals in the world. So there you have it, 10 of the most unique animals in the world. From the egg-laying platypus with its duckbill and webbed feet, to the narwhal, the enchanting unicorn of the sea, we've journeyed through the animal kingdom, meeting creatures like the regenerative axolotl and the distinctive Mantaray, the flying lemur that isn't really a lemur, and the eye with its extraordinary foraging technique. We've admired the Okapi, the giraffe's striped cousin, and laughed at the blobfish, an undersea oddity that's hard to ignore. We've marveled at the pink fairy armadillo's burrowing prowess and the Japanese spider crab's astonishing size. Each one of these animals is unique, a testament to the remarkable diversity of life on our planet. And remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of fascinating creatures out there waiting to be discovered. Remember to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the animal kingdom.